Nobody expected a high school track meet to turn into a murder scene, but that's exactly what happened in Frisco, Texas. And by the end of this trial, one teenager's life would be changed forever. It all started on April 2, 2025, during a rainy high school track meet. Students were crowded under tents trying to stay dry. That's when 17-year-old Karmelo Anthony got into an argument with fellow student Austin Metcalf over space under a team tent. Witnesses say Metcalf told Anthony to move. Moments later, the situation escalated. A knife came out, and Austin Metcalf was stabbed in the chest. He later died at the scene. Karmelo Anthony was arrested and charged with first-degree murder. His defense immediately claimed something very different from the prosecution. They said it was self-defense, that he felt threatened during the confrontation. But prosecutors called it simple, an unjustified, fatal stabbing. The trial began in June 2026 in Collin County, Texas. From day one, the courtroom was tense. Jurors watched surveillance footage, heard witness testimony, and saw the knife and backpack entered into evidence. Teen witnesses described the moment the confrontation turned violent. Some said Metcalf shoved Anthony first. Others testified Anthony escalated the situation by pulling a knife from his backpack and stabbing him in the chest. The case sparked national attention. There were heated debates about race, fairness, and jury selection. The judge restricted cameras in the courtroom and kept strict control over proceedings to avoid mistrial issues. Outside the courthouse, emotions ran high with supporters and critics clashing online and in person. After several days of testimony, both sides made their final case. Prosecutors: this was murder, plain and simple. Defense: Anthony acted in fear and self-defense. Then the jury went into deliberation. After deliberating, the jury reached a decision: guilty of first-degree murder. The courtroom reacted instantly. Austin Metcalf's family broke down in emotion. Anthony sat quietly as the reality of the verdict set in. Shortly after, the jury delivered sentencing: 35 years in prison. The judge upheld the decision, stating he believed the trial had been fair despite public criticism. Anthony's legal team has already signaled plans to appeal. A moment of anger, a split-second decision, and a life lost forever. Now one teenager is gone. Another is facing decades behind bars. And a community is left asking how it all escalated so fast.